friends, Erica Simone here from Color Their World. Today is a rainy Wednesday, and you know what we are going to do for our colorful activity today? We are going to be making binoculars. I thought it would be so fitting because the summer is coming, and when it stops raining, we can use our binoculars to see birds, butterflies, and lovely animals from afar. So, you ready? I'm going to show you what we need to make this colorful craft.
First thing you'll need is scissors, glue, ruler, pen, something sharp to poke a hole in the corner of the toilet paper roll. Be sure to ask an adult for help with that one. Then we have glue. We have 3 colors and some paintbrushes, 2 toilet paper rolls, some yarn or string, and construction paper. I chose yellow. Now you can turn it sideways. We're going to measure it with our toilet paper roll now. So you're going to get that pen, mark a line at the bottom and a line at the top. After you do that, you're going to get your ruler and you're going to connect the 2 lines together. This is what we're going to use to cover the toilet paper roll. We're going to do the same thing with the other one. A line at the bottom and a line at the top. Now we'll get our ruler, connect those 2 lines together as well. After we connect the lines together, we will use our scissors to cut along the lines, and it'll actually give us 2 pieces of construction paper to glue onto our toilet paper roll. That's an extra piece there. We'll put that off on the side. Perfect. Let's get our glue. And we're just going to glide that glue stick all over the construction paper, top, bottom. Don't forget the sides. And we're going to start to roll the toilet paper roll around the construction paper. Perfect. Now don't forget to smooth it off, make it nice and tight. Now for the other piece. Make sure to get that glue all over the corners as well. And roll. Perfect. So everything is nice and smooth. And you know what we're going to do with these 2 pieces? We are going to connect them together, just like that. So we're going to get our glue stick again. And we're going to, I used this 2 seams and I connected it together, just like that. Perfect. Isn't that nice? We're almost there, guys. Don't forget to cover your glue stick. Now I'm going to poke the holes. Now this is the part where you have to ask an adult to help you. So first I put the pen there just to mark where I want to put the hole. If you don't have anything kind of sharp, you could actually use the end of a pen. And these are the 2 holes that the string is going to go into. And now for our string. Now depending on how old you are or how long you want your binoculars to hang off of your neck, you know how long to make the string. So I doubled the string and I'm going to put it through one of the holes of the binoculars. Perfect. I'm going to get 2 strings, 1 for each side. This one I'm going to make a little longer. Now that we have our 2 pieces of string on each side of the binoculars, we could connect them both together. And that's simple, with a little knot. You might have to ask for some help for this one as well. There you have it. Now, here comes the fun part. We're going to start to decorate. I just want to neaten everything up, you know? Love it. So I have my paintbrush. I don't know, what design should I do? I think I'm going to make some flowers. So we'll put some yellow dots and then we can add the colors all around it. Get some turquoise there and make cute little petals for my flower. What do you guys think? Do you like that? Yeah. I think we need some more colors though. Maybe I should put some more yellow dots Yeah, some in the back. And oh, orange, yeah. This will be really nice. So we have 2 orange, 2 green or turquoise type colors. I think we need some more stuff though. Let me see, what else should we do? Oh my gosh, I forgot that side. Let's add another flower, some orange. Yeah, it's coming together very nicely, don't you think so? Now, I have another one here to show you. This one I actually made out of the same way, but I actually used paint instead of the construction paper. So if you don't have construction paper, you can paint it. 2 different ways of making it. One has construction paper, the other we made with paint. Thank you so much for joining me for today's colorful activity. Have a wonderful day. Bye.